Home sweet home. So this is gonna be my first video on my car. We got a 2011 Honda Civic EX. Not a SI, but still make it look good. I do want to swap it eventually. This is what I got. Got the carbon hood so far. Added a lip on the bottom. Got the wheels. Work wheels are coming soon. I just haven't got them yet. Over here too. Got that going. That's how it looks so far. It's the back, changed it. Had to do this because it didn't want to sit right. Got that. Show you guys more. The hood came in probably about, having it for like 2 weeks at most. Did order a trunk, so that's what I'm gonna show you guys right now. Woo! Here we go. Trunk just came in today for the Civic, but I'm gonna get you guys started right here. Trying to find out somewhere that I could sit it so y'all can see. Let's see, how about right here? Hey, ain't your face coming in? Oh! Right here. This one just have to do for right now.
That's what I have to do for right now. Cuddy, what are you talking about?
VIS Racing came in clutch earlier on a Wednesday. I think it was Thursday actually. They don't ship on the weekend, so we gotta wait. It's hard trying to get it off because all the tape they shit, how they package it, very good too. I ain't gonna lie. Really good packaging. But this is gonna be my first look at Let me get you guys a better view just so y'all can see better. Cause I'm literally just showing y'all my back. And that's not really gonna do anything. There we go. That's what I have to do for right now. That's tough. That's tough. What was y'all talking about? Y'all gonna have to let me know if this is a cop or a cop. Just for y'all too. I'm finna do the peeling. Shout out VIS. Yes, sir. Got him. Sneak peek. I ain't gonna show too much of shit. Just try to set it up for y'all real quick. There we go. We got the duckbill trunk. It's not the biggest, it's the smallest. This is how it looks so far. Carbon fiber looking good. this right here. I'm just trying to figure out this. This looks extra big. This hole. I could be tripping. Let me get you guys a little side angle of it. And at the same time, that is how much it looks. Let's go look outside real quick. It's like frame. So does this actually come off? Oh, it does. So that's what it is. This needs to come off. Do I want to unwrap it? So that makes sense. This makes sense why. This how it looks. This is what I'm rocking with. Duckbill trunk, finna give it that look that I want. Work wheels, I did find some for cheap. Good condition. Do want to change them. These are MSTs right now. Gonna give it a better look. Bags are coming soon with the hood. A little dirty, gotta wash it. Oh, what's that look like? It's the whole front look of it. Gonna do that. Bagger, get my work wheels on. Trunk on to give it that look from the front and the back. Y'all see right now. I got this side going on. That's the clear look we're going for. Got this one. It's kind of hard to do it, but this one was a little fogged out, so I used to rock like that. But I didn't really like how it looked, so I went with the clear one. What do y'all think? I don't think it looks that bad. I just got a lot of things to do. I gotta put some more shit to hold it in. Gotta clean the trunk too. These. And then right now, we're right on the stock. Don't have my front ones. My dad went fishing today, took them. I got my work wheels. Told y'all it was coming. Not done yet. Only wet sanded. Still gotta do a little more of sanding to it. My fault. I got them sand blasted. Now I gotta wet sand them. Gotta go from different grits. Then I gotta polish. But for right now, this is how I'm looking. Coilovers on the front need to go a little lower. The backs are cool. Front needs to go lower because I'm on. Probably have about like a hand of room because I know my driveway gotta come in because I'm usually parked here, but there's all these cars and stuff, so I don't always want to move them at night, so it's better for me just to do that. And I leave that towel there for my carbon fiber so it doesn't mess up or nothing. But this is what we're rocking with. True Heart, need to lower it a little more. Then, like I said, rocking 16s on the back. I don't know, y'all tell me what y'all think. Like, I'm gonna set you guys right here so you guys can help me. It's pretty much just a lens. It's not really the whole light. You just gotta take off that and put the lens on it yourself. But I think I'm perfectly fine just with the lens. I was wanting the whole light, but when I saw the lens come in and I seen that it was pretty easy, I was pretty mad at the first time I saw it. Just because I thought like, they had sent me the wrong thing. And this is how it looks. Clear. Like I said, safety has an old lens. This one's a little broken, so, but everything else matches up. Like the little corner here, straight down, flat all the way around. Same thing. See, corner. What you guys think? Damn near identical. Just a little bit. I broke it on this side, but this is what we're rocking with. Like I said. What I'm thinking of doing is cleaning this though, because it's a little dirty on the inside. If you guys could see, give it that shine. So once it's on, it looks better, clear when the lights are on. I wasn't watching. Porter, he said, "That's not a cup. That's not a cup empty of anything, bro."
You had no respect for nothing. I just want to say, if it wastes quick, you finna have to buy me more. Because you poured half of it on the floor already. I gotta try y'all. If I'm talking above it, y'all finna hear everything.
Bitch, I'm inside of the movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I got a sister just flipping like Lucy. Bitch, I'm on my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat.
Hey!